Have you ever tried to install an old printer in Windows 11 and it just refuses to work? Like it's not even detected. Or worse, it says it's not supported anymore. Well, don't throw that printer away just yet. In this video, I am going to show you how to fully install the Canon PIXMA MX870 in Windows 11. And not just that, how to get it printing from any computer wirelessly on your network. I actually ran into this problem myself and I thought I would have to replace the printer. But after a bit of digging, I found a way to get it working. And I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Alright, let's get started.
Okay, we're going to go to Google and search for the driver. Let's type Canon printer driver, PIXMA MX870. Let's click on the one that says download. Let's click on this first search result. Okay, now let's click on software and drivers. As you noted in Windows 11, if we scroll down, we don't find a driver for it. But if you click on Windows 10 64-bit, and if you scroll down, we are going to see the driver right there. It's the one that says recommended. We're going to click on it. That's going to download the driver to our computer. Now, we have to make sure that the printer and the computer are connected to the same network. In this case, I have already configured the printer. Now I am setting the computer to the same network that the printer is connected to. This is crucial. Now we're going to go back to our download. We're going to click on it and it's going to load. Once it is unzipped, we're going to click on next. Click on yes. Okay, now we're going to use the printer with wireless LAN connection. Click on next. This is going to be searching for the printer in the network. Okay, the software has found the printer. We're going to click on next. Now the software is registering the printer. Click on complete. Now we're going to go to our Windows settings by pressing Windows I. We're going to go to Bluetooth and devices. We are going to click on printers and scanners. Select the printer. We're going to click on print test page. We get the dialog here where it shows that a test page has been sent to the printer. The page has been printed successfully and the printer is ready to go.
So yeah, your old printer still works. No need to replace it. I hope this video helped you. And as always, thank you for watching.